Welcome to Dotting for Beginners. If you don't know me, my name is Cathy Mahan, and I am perfectly imperfect dotting because I make a lot of mistakes. Actually, it came from my daughter a few years ago, right after my husband died. I was upset that my artwork wasn't working out very well. We were at a paint party, and she said, "Mom is perfectly imperfect." So that means, it's you. It is an extension of you. Now, granted, you don't want it to look like a 3-year-old painted it. But, you want it to look a little better than that. And it took me a while to get the dotting right. It wasn't until I found Christina Lee Dot Meditation AU sharing group that I started really improving my skills. And the thing with Christina is that she's not really a teacher per se, but she does such beautiful artwork. So I watched a lot of her videos, her lives, over and over and over again. A lot of people tell you, go look at these YouTube videos and they'll teach you how, but they don't really teach you. So I tried to do that last week, show you how to do the basic techniques.